If you were handed $10,000 tomorrow, would your life actually change? Not like, oh, that's nice change. I mean, will it take the pressure off? Will it give you some breathing room? Will it make you feel like maybe, just maybe, things are finally moving in the right direction? For most people watching this right now, the answer is absolutely yes. And yet, here you are, still watching videos, still searching, still trying to figure out what the heck actually works online. This tells me one thing: you are not lazy. I want to be very clear about that. You are not the problem here. You've probably already tried different things. Maybe you posted content and got nothing. Maybe you tried dropshipping, crypto, MLM, some course that promised the world. Maybe you are just starting and you are trying to figure out where to even begin. Either way, you are still not making the money you say you wanted to make online, and it's eating at you. You go to bed at night, running the math in your head: bills, mortgage, credit cards, the car payment. You are not spending recklessly. You are just trying to keep up. And the gap between where you are and where you want to be feels like it's getting wider, not smaller. Here's what nobody tells you. And this is the part that changed everything for me. You don't have a work ethic problem. You don't have a motivation problem. You don't even have a skills problem. You have a method problem, because you've been trying to build an airplane from scratch when you could have just bought a ticket and gone straight to the final destination. Here's what most people trying to make money online are told to do: build a personal brand, post videos every single day, learn funnels, run ads, create your own product from scratch, stay consistent, and hope something sticks. And if you are a beginner, that advice is exhausting before you even start. You don't know what to post. You don't know if your product idea is any good. You don't know if the niche you picked has any buyers at all. So you guess, you experiment, you try one thing for a few weeks, it doesn't work, and you pivot to something else. And guessing is expensive, not just in money, but in something you can't get back: time and confidence. Because here's what nobody talks about: every month you are grinding without results. A little voice in the back of your head gets louder. Maybe I'm just not cut out for this. Maybe everyone else knows something I don't. Maybe I'm just not meant to make this work. That's the real cost of the wrong method. It doesn't just waste months, it makes you doubt yourself. And here's why it's happening. Most people are trying to build from absolute zero, a brand new product nobody has heard of, a brand new audience that doesn't exist yet, a brand new system they are making up as they go. It's like opening a restaurant where you are simultaneously inventing the menu, hiring the staff, designing the logo, and figuring out how to cook all at the same time. It's high effort, high risk, almost no chance of working quickly. On the opposite side, when someone opens a McDonald's, they don't waste time inventing new food. They don't test recipes. They buy into a system that already works. That's why franchises cost so much money, because they remove the guessing. You are not starting from zero. You are going straight to making sales. Online, there's a version of this too. It's called AI Digital Arbitrage. And the idea behind it is very simple. Here is the entire business model in plain English. Step one: instead of creating your own product, you start with a digital product that people are already buying. No invention, no guessing, proven buyers and proven demand. You get paid 100% commission on every product sale without creating any product yourself. Step two: instead of trying to build an audience from scratch, you go where buyers already hang out. Think niche Facebook groups, online communities, forums, people who are actively looking for what you have. Step three: instead of making videos, dancing, or putting your face on camera, you use AI to write simple, short text posts. Posts that say, hey, here's a simple way to solve this problem. People read it, they click through your product link, and when someone buys, you get paid. Each sale pays you $1,000 in profit. Just 10 sales a month, that's $10,000 monthly. No inventory, no shipping, no customer support headaches. That's not hype, that's math. Simple, repeatable math. And once you've hit your first $10,000 online, scaling to $100,000 isn't a mystery anymore. It's just repetition. It's kind of like if you were driving to the most important meeting of your life and your GPS show you a shortcut that saved 30 minutes. Would you take it? Of course you would. That's exactly what this is. A shortcut to your online success, while 90% of all the hard work has been done for you. Now, if you don't know who I am, my name is Daniel Chou, and I want to be upfront with you about where I started because it wasn't pretty. I was confused about what to sell and how to sell it. I couldn't figure out why nothing was working. I was jumping from idea to idea, watching my savings shrink and telling people I'm working on a business online with nothing real to show for it. Every month felt like I was falling further behind. I know how that feels. And if that's where you are right now, I get it. I spent months watching YouTube videos, buying courses that overwhelmed me with information but gave me zero structure. I tried building my own products from scratch. I tried running ads before I understood what I was doing. I wasted money I didn't have, testing ideas that didn't work. There were nights I genuinely wondered if this was even possible for me. Not for the people I followed on the internet, but for me. My initial journey of trying to figure it out was long, and honestly, it was terrifying and expensive, and it nearly broke me. When I finally cracked the AI digital arbitrage business model, everything changed, and I've spent the last 4 years refining it. My business partner Nathan and I have generated over $3.6 million online using this exact same model. Now, what I'm most proud of isn't that number, it's this. Steven from the UK made his first $10,000 online using this exact process. Jessica, a stay-at-home mom who started with almost minus $2,000 in her bank account. 8 weeks later, she made over $21,000. Jake, a full-time dad with a busy 9 to 5, he followed the same process and generated over $100,000 in just 4 months. My own wife, Selena, I taught her this method, and she made her first ever $10,000 online in less than 2 months as a complete beginner. Different people, different lives, same business model, amazing results. Now, here's where I want to talk to you about something specific, because knowing a method is one thing. Having someone walk you through it step by step with accountability and feedback, that's something completely different. That's why I created the AI Profit Mentorship with one single mission to get you to your first $10,000 online guaranteed. This is a 12-week hands-on coaching program built specifically for complete beginners. No product creation, no ads, no guesswork. Here's what you get every single week inside this mentorship. A clear weekly execution plan so that you always know exactly what to do to generate results. Live coaching call with me and my team, not pre-recorded fluff, so that you get real-time feedback from coaches who have made millions doing what you are trying to do. You also get accountability and support so that you don't get stuck or fall through the cracks. This is not a course where we hand you a folder of videos and disappear. This is execution with my hands wrapped around yours. And here's the part that makes this genuinely different from anything else you've seen. This is a result guaranteed mentorship. If you follow the weekly plan, show up to coaching, and you don't hit $10,000 in the next 12 weeks, my team and I keep working with you every single week for free until you do. No extra fees, no fine print, no excuses. We structured it this way because we don't win unless you win. Simple as that. Now, mentorship at this level with weekly coaching, accountability, and a $10,000 guarantee, the standard investment for that is $5,000. And honestly, that's fair. It's a guaranteed 2x return minimum. But today, I'm doing something different. I'm opening 10 spots, just 10 at a special price of just $1,997. That's a guaranteed 5x return on your investment. And here's how we structured it. So the risk is almost entirely off your shoulders. Today, you only put down $997. That covers your own pop digital course with master resale rights. Meaning, you can earn 100% commissions of $997 on every single sale right away from day one, literally from the moment you get started. The remaining $1,000, you only pay that after you've already made $10,000 through this mentorship, not before. If you don't hit at least $10,000, you don't pay the mentorship fee, period. You are not betting on motivation. You are not taking a leap of faith. You are stepping into a proven system where the risk has been removed and shifted onto us. And if money upfront to pick up your own course material and its reseller license is a challenge. For qualified people in the United States, we even offer a $0 down financing option. So you pay nothing today for the first 30 days, then low monthly installments after that, as low as $60 a month to pay off your own POP digital course, which I will show you how to take advantage of that in the next few minutes. Now, you might be thinking a few things right now. Let me address them directly. Hey, Daniel, I've tried things before and they didn't work. That's exactly why the guarantee exists. I'm not asking you to hope this works. I'm contractually committing to stay with you until you make your first $10,000 online. That's a different offer than anything you've tried before. Hey, Daniel, I don't have tech skills or experience. Everyone who's gotten results from my mentorship started where you are. The whole point of this mentorship is that you don't have to figure it out alone. We give you the proven product, the pulse, the plan. You execute with our guidance. Hey, Daniel, I can't afford $997 right now. That's exactly what the $0 down financing option is for. You start, you learn, you begin making money, and then you pay for it. The program is designed to help you generate the money before you've even finished paying for it. The real question isn't where you can afford to join. The real question is, what does another 6 months of doing nothing really cost you? More stress, more guessing, more watching other people move forward while you stay stuck. This mentorship program is specifically for you if you are a beginner or someone who struggled online before. You are serious about making your first $10,000, not just curious, and you are willing to follow a plan even when it feels uncomfortable sometimes. This is not for you if you are looking for a magic button. You are not willing to show up to coaching calls, or you just want to collect another course and never implement it. I only take 10 people at a time because this is high touch, hands-on mentorship. Once those 10 spots are gone, this page comes down until I can personally support new clients again. Now, imagine 12 weeks from now, you've made your first $10,000 online. Bills feel lighter. The pressure in your chest has eased. You finally have certainty, not just hope or motivation, but real certainty because you know this works. You've proven to yourself. That's not a fantasy. That's what you get inside my mentorship. So here's exactly what happens next. Step one, tap the button down below and pick up your POP digital course for just $997 today. Or click Kalana to apply for $0 down financing. Step two, you'll get a confirmation email to join our school community and access the course and the mentorship immediately. Step three, my team and I coach you every single week, step by step, to your first $10,000 online. Step four, after you hit $10,000 and only after, you pay the remaining $1,000 balance for the mentorship service. If the button down below is still active, spots are still available. So click down below and let's get your first $10,000 online together. I'll see you inside.